Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Pixi is probably one of the most sought-after skincare brands on the market right now, and for good reason. Their products are known for delivering visible results without breaking the bank, making them a favorite among beauty enthusiasts and skincare novices alike. If you're looking to elevate your skincare routine with effective, accessible, and high-quality products, Pixi might just be the answer you've been searching for, offering a range of solutions for various skin concerns. Number 5. Pixi Glow Tonic Exfoliating Face Toner. Unveil a brighter, more luminous complexion. This powerful toner gently exfoliates, revealing your skin's natural glow. Infused with 5% glycolic acid, it works to refine pores and smooth skin texture. Experience a noticeable improvement in clarity and smoothness. Enriched with ginseng and aloe vera, it calms and hydrates your skin. Enjoy a refreshing and soothing experience with every application. Our alcohol-free formula is kind to all skin types, even sensitive ones. It refines pores without stripping essential moisture. Achieve visibly radiant and healthy-looking skin. This toner is your daily essential for a revitalized and glowing appearance. With 8.5 fluid ounces 250 milliliters, you have plenty to achieve your best skin. Enjoy long-lasting radiance and a smoother complexion. What we like. This toner is your secret weapon for achieving a radiant complexion. Its powerful yet gentle exfoliation helps to reveal smoother, brighter skin. If you're looking to combat dullness and minimize the appearance of pores, this is the perfect addition to your daily routine. What people say. With consistent use, I have noticed an improvement in skin texture and overall radiance without causing irritation. The formula feels well-balanced and suitable for regular use. It gets rid of pimples quickly, ones under the skin and whiteheads and also popped ones. It helps smooth the KP on my face and arms, and if I use it daily my skin is always fresh and radiant. No redness, no pimples, and smaller pores. It's crazy, I have struggled with my skin since puberty and my skin has not looked this nice in more than a decade. Number 4. Pixi On The Glow Blush, Fleur. Introducing the Pixi On The Glow Blush in Fleur. This hydrating tinted moisture stick adds a beautiful flush to your cheeks and lips. Formulated with nourishing ginseng, soothing aloe vera, and fruit extracts, it cares for your skin while it colors. Experience a dewy finish that blends seamlessly. Its creamy texture ensures comfortable wear all day long. Use it on your cheeks for a natural-looking blush or on your lips for a hint of color. It's your go-to for a quick touch-up. We believe in gentle beauty. That's why this blush stick is paraben-free, making it suitable for most skin types. Perfectly sized for your purse or travel bag, it's the ideal companion for achieving a radiant glow anytime, anywhere. What we like. Get a healthy, dewy glow with this versatile blush stick. It provides a beautiful, natural-looking tint that hydrates your skin. If you prefer a quick and easy makeup application for both cheeks and lips, and love a dewy finish, you should definitely consider this. What people say. This blush stick is fantastic for a natural look. It's a moisturizing, tinted stick that glides on smoothly and leaves a healthy glow on the skin without feeling sticky. The pH reactive balm adjusts naturally to my skin tone, giving a healthy, radiant flush that feels unique. It glides on smoothly, blends easily whether I'm using my fingers or a brush, and the finish is luminous without being too glossy. Bonus points for the hydrating formula with aloe vera, ginseng, and fruit extracts. Great for cheeks and lips. One stick to streamline my routine. It blends so nice too and is great for sensitive skin. It's hydrating and has never caused me a breakout. Number 3. Pixi DetoxifEYE Depuffing Hydrogel Under Eye Patches. Tired of puffy eyes and dark circles? These hydrogel patches are designed to refresh and revitalize your delicate under eye area. Infused with cucumber and hyaluronic acid, they deliver a surge of hydration, leaving your skin feeling plump and moisturized. Caffeine works to reduce puffiness and awaken tired-looking eyes. Get ready to look and feel more refreshed. Simply apply these patches for a quick pick-me-up. They are perfect for a morning boost or an evening treat. With 30 pairs included, you can enjoy a revitalized eye area consistently. Experience the difference they make. Say goodbye to tired eyes and hello to a brighter, smoother appearance. These patches are your new go-to for under-eye care. What we like? Revitalize tired eyes with these refreshing hydrogel patches. They effectively reduce puffiness and hydrate the delicate under-eye area. If you suffer from puffy eyes or dark circles and want a quick pick-me-up, these are an absolute must-have. What people say. On mornings when I wake up with puffy eyes, they make a noticeable difference, and pretty quickly. I store them in the fridge and keep the container upside down, which helps them feel extra cooling when I put them on. These patches really work to reduce puffiness and dark circles. They feel so cool and refreshing. I am noticing my under-eye skin look softer and smoother. Number 2. Pixi Best of Bright Discovery Kit. Discover the Pixi Best of Bright Discovery Kit. This curated collection is designed to illuminate your complexion and reveal your natural glow. Inside, you'll find everything you need for a radiant look. Experience the transformative power of these beloved formulas. Achieve a brighter, more even skin tone with ease. These products work harmoniously to enhance your skin's natural luminosity. Perfect for on-the-go touch-ups or your next getaway. Take your favorite brightening essentials with you wherever you roam. Experience the gentle yet effective approach Pixi is known for. Reveal your best skin with this delightful discovery kit. What we like? Discover the best of Pixi with this curated discovery kit. It offers a selection of their most loved products in convenient travel sizes. If you're new to the brand or looking for a great gift set, this is an excellent way to try out multiple fan favorites. What people say. Magical effects, my face just glows now. So far it's been working really well for me. My skin loves it. I would be buying the bigger sizes soon. I've been wanting to try this line for a long time and so far I've loved everything I've tried. And now I have more stuff coming. It's great that I can try deluxe sample sizes. Number 1. Pixis Schoenste. Discover the Pixis Schoenste, where sophisticated design meets unparalleled craftsmanship. Elevate your everyday with its timeless appeal. Every detail has been meticulously considered to bring you an object of pure beauty. It's designed to be admired and cherished. This exquisite piece is more than just an accessory, it's a statement of your refined taste. Let it complement your unique style. Embrace the perfect blend of classic charm and contemporary elegance. It offers a sophisticated presence that never goes out of fashion. Indulge in the luxury of exceptional quality and design. It represents the pinnacle of artistic expression and refined living. What we like? Experience a gentle yet effective cleanse with this nourishing formula. It effectively removes impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. If you have sensitive skin or are looking for a daily cleanser that leaves your skin feeling soft and refreshed, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The Pixi has a sleek and modern design that looks great on any countertop. Its compact size makes it perfect for small kitchens, and it doesn't take up too much space. The Pixi is incredibly easy to use, with intuitive controls and a simple setup process. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.